Odinaka is not going back to the city with us again.
When will you stop talking about Odinaka?
I am not holding anything against him. The issue is that I will not have him in my house again. Let him stay here.
Woman, can't you see there's no way you can convince me from taking that boy with me? I've always been doing your bidding. Do this, I'll do that, do this, I'll do this. But this time I will not. And even if the boy gets useless tomorrow, they're still going to link him to me.
See, if you want to help the boy, go ahead and help him. Anyhow you want to help him, please, go ahead and help him. But that boy should remain with his father. I know why I'm saying this. Let him remain with his father.
There is no way that boy can achieve anything in this village. That is why I have decided to take him with me so that at least he can meet people that can help him get to his destiny. Please just leave this boy alone. Leave him with it. Let him stay with us in peace.
See, this conversation is as good as closed issue. You see that boy matter, I will not discuss it again. Let me face what is facing me. Let me fish out who killed my daughter. I want to know who killed my daughter. Anyway, it's obvious. It's clear. Staring at my face. But don't worry.
So, what do you mean by that?
Don't worry. When the time comes, you will know. Don't worry. When the time comes, you will know.
Ojugo.
Master Okeke, I greet you.
How are you? Please hold on a moment. Thank God that I found you. Thank God. I was meaning to even come to your house. There's actually something that I heard. And I said, let me come and confirm from you before I take it to be true.
What did you hear? And if I may ask, what did they tell you that my daughter Geneka did again?
Ojugo, no serious problem. Your daughter did not do anything.
Okay.
What I heard was that a ritualist is coming to your house to come and ask for her hand in marriage. And I don't understand. So I said, let me come and ask you.
Okeke. Okeke, for your own good, I want you to take your mouth far away from everything that has to do with my family. What has my daughter done to you? That you are going around the village speaking bad against her. What has she done, Okeke?
Ojugo, point of correction. I am not going around speaking evil about your daughter.
So what are you doing?
I only overheard people saying it. That's why I said, let me come and ask you.
Okeke, I wonder why you hate this boy so much. You maltreated him when he was a child. Till this moment. Now he is a wealthy man. Getting ready to settle down, and you won't let him be. What has he done to you, Okeke? Tell me.
But let me tell you, because you seem not to understand what I'm talking about. Yes.
Okay.
So, you still will not understand how much I've been trying to save you from all this trouble. But until your daughter enters into a very big problem, that is when you will realize what I'm not telling you. And maybe you start to look at me as somebody. I don't know why a young man like that will just decide to be foolish and useless in his life, like him. I don't know.
You have been saying that when he was a little child. So it's no longer a good or new news. When he was in this village, Okeke, you said that that boy will never be useful. Now he is a wealthy man. He is up and doing. He has what it takes to be a man. The same mouth you're using to say that that boy is a ritualist. Okeke, I thank God that this God doesn't judge like men do. But I'm advising you, stay away. I mean, stay clear Leave that boy alone. Let him be. And leave my family alone. Leave me alone. I will not warn you again.
So that's what you're saying? I will still be here when you will cry to me. By then it would have been too late because she would have been used for rituals already. And I'll go no kuna manam. Nonsense.
Babe, are you seeing another woman?
What? What stupid question is that?
Because lately you've been ignoring me. I don't understand what is going on with you.
Rika, it is very obvious that I haven't gotten over the shock, the trauma of your sister's demise.
Please do not go there because that is not what this is about. You've started treating me this way long before my sister passed. What is going on?
Rika, you know I love you so much. Why do you always think otherwise? Why? Why do you do that?
Because of your actions. I am in this house with you, yet I miss you. This is not us. Things have changed with us. What's with you? Don't you love me anymore?
Rika, point of correction. I have been the one trying to make this work. I have sacrificed for us to be together. Why do you always make me feel bad? Why do you always see things from your own point of view? What about my own point of view?
You don't see me. You don't see me. You don't feel me anymore. I don't understand what is going on. This is not us.
Okay. Aren't you aware that your father wants me to do something for him? Are you not aware your father wants me to do something for him? Or do you want me to ignore your father? No, tell me.
Babe, you know that's not what I am saying.
What are you saying?
It's that...
Rika, you know what? Just go upstairs. Wait for me. I'll be with you shortly. I need to send an email. Your father wants me to do something for him. And that's what I'm doing. Go upstairs and wait for me. And I'll be with you. Come on. You don't have to be like this. You don't have to act like this. You don't have to ruin everything. What do you mean I'm seeing another woman? Are you really saying that to me?
This love is no longer as it used to be. Tochi now talks to me without any atom of compassion or love. His words have become so dry, like he digs them out from the dust. What did I do wrong to make him lose all the feeling he once had for me? Those days when he speaks to me, the wetness in his words saturates my feelings. God, please, don't let me lose him. I love him so much.
Amanda, wait. Amanda. Hey! Wait. Oh. Amanda, what is it? Amanda!
Babe, are you okay? What is it?
Since Amanda passed away, I haven't been myself.
Come here, baby. I know it's so sad. You know, her death hit all of us so bad. Yeah. I even heard they had a candlelight for her in her school. It's so sad. My poor sister.
It's okay. I'll be fine. Let's go to bed.
Go to bed?
Yes.
Babe, you said you had something to work on.
I changed my mind. I'll do that tomorrow morning.
Okay. It's alright. Just move, let me turn off the light.
Yeah? Turn off the light? What did the light do to you?
Babe, you hate sleeping with the lights on. Have you forgotten?
Not anymore. Listen, darkness is of evil. Please let there be light, okay? Please, leave the light on, please.
Honey, your breakfast is ready.
I thought you knew I don't like to have breakfast before I go out in the morning.
Not today. I woke up early just to fix breakfast for you. You don't have to finish everything, just a little bite.
Oh, sorry. Hello?
Baby, good morning.
Hey.
Hope you're still coming today.
I'll be with you soon.
I can't wait to see you. You see, I am ready to pounce on you like a lion. I've missed you so much.
Already on my way. I'll be with you soon. Yeah. Alright, thank you.
Breakfast.
I'm not interested.
Babe.
I have to go.
Wait, what do you mean by you're not interested?
Love one thing, love one thing, love no one thing. Oh, big. Hey, I can see my daughter is in super love. Eh?
Mama. You made Jamuna Tochi.
I know.
You know it's not today. It's been a long time. And I don't think there is any man in this world that I will love the way I love him. I love him so much.
Including me. Okay, man. Sorry, I'm a woman.
Mama.
My daughter. You have to take it easy. Human being cannot and they never be trusted. Yes, I'm advising you to take it easy so that you will not get disappointed.
God forbid.
Yes.
Mama, I will never be disappointed.
Amen.
I thought she's different though.
That is all I wish.
It's not like other human beings.
Yes, let him be,
Mama.
please.
This world is a sweet place. If only me and you, we could love each other. If only we could love each other.
Honey, wait. Come and eat your food, even if it's just a bite. Please. It will make me very happy. Okay, a hug. Okay. I'll see you when you get back.
anyone who holds someone to the ground will also remain on the ground as long as the victim is there. And as for that man who called himself Chief Ebubedike, feed him with iniquity. He must surely come and confess all the atrocities he has committed against me. He will kneel and beg me to forgive him. Only then he will have peace. And if he refuses to do so, he will live the remaining days of his life without peace. The same way his money couldn't save him in the midst of the abundance, the same way he will never in his life have peace.
Nah, Bimo, what is the matter with you? Get it from me.
Okay.
Why are you hell-bent on wishing your brother evil? Odimma, that is very, very bad. Ojoka. See, I am your wife. If I don't tell you, who will?
That truth is about to put you into trouble right now. Have you seen any woman who disturbs her husband in the morning hours while he's pouring libation? Have you seen it?
Nah, rap that thing. The mama, rap that thing. Eh? Even if he wronged you long ago, what they go no? I think it's high time you forget and let go. Why Alusia? Why Alusia no?
And who are you to tell me when to let go? Were you there when he put me through all the problems in my life? Were you there when I suffered the worst stage of my life? Were you there?
Oh, Chakwalo. So you want to bear the grudge forever? Yeah, it was no be a no. Yeah, it was be where no more. It's not making sense. Why Alusia?
I can see you are talking rubbish. You are talking rubbish.
I don't know.
Papa, I'm ready to leave.
Okay, go where my beautiful daughter, eh? Behave well at school, okay?
Papa, what about the PTA level that you promised to give me today?
Amen.
I don't have the money now, eh? Ooh. I want you, when you get to school, tell your teachers that your father said he will give you the money next week, eh?
But that was what you asked me to tell them last week. They said I should not bother coming to school again without the money.
I am sorry I don't have the money now. If that is the case, you can keep your school bag in the house and stay in the house until I have the money to give you, because I don't know what to do.
Don't cry. Oh, don't cry. Papa, don't mind your father. So what it all? So what it all? I will give you the money. You go and pay. You will go and pay. For 5,000 be enough.
Thank you, Mommy.
Get us go.
Go where, my daughter?
Yeah, so I go where.
And why are you looking at me?
Why won't I look at you like that?
If I don't have the money and you have it and give it, is she not our daughter?
Hi, people. Is that what you have to say?
So what will I say? Is she not our daughter?
If not for that man that you hate so much, that you hate with everything in you, hey! Your own blood brother, keep on Odeasia. If not for him, none of our children would have completed primary school.
Eh? Let me warn you, woman. Don't you ever in your life compare me with total ritualist. Now get out of my presence.
No, we'll get out.
Get out of my presence. That truth will kill you. Almost make me forget.
I think my mother is right. Could it be that he has started finding my presence boring? Has he gotten another girl? Am I bothering him too much? Mom said that if I become close to a man that is not married to me, that he will get tired of having me around one day. Is he tired already?
waiting. Give you waiting. The one where you take, you don't pay.
Federal government in the top now.
I hear.
No, why you get bad mouth? No man.
I will give my money today. No give my money today. Me and you will enter.
Anything we tell you, they bring down.
This
federal government not call your shop. Yeah, no, stand. Why they do like that?
They like our bag. Because say you see customers. They like our bag.
Leave this woman. I know one is at this business.
Give my money.
I need to look my drink like say. Hi guys.
Better customer. Switch here. Customer. See, I did. So I will bring for you.
So like
You guys okay? Please, can I get Hennessy or Glenfiddich? Just one bottle.
Glen. Yeah, no Glen. My man. See yeah. Glenfiddich, I'm be this. Then they show me full update.
Original. So I get that.
How we make that shower run?
Get that number.
Where this one come out from?
Alright, can I have some?
Okay, I should bring.
Give her that one where you give this my brother that the way say one kid that shower. Give her that one.
When you take that shower, give her one.
That one, that is my brother.
Enter issue, come drink anything. You can issue, come drink. No, you something I make I no come let tie your spec now. That's the we want make I collect spec.
Okay, which now Glen give me.
Give
Okay, same for you.
Give her. Okay, see as white is so
original.
So change color. You want drink red?
Some people get big clips, so calm down. They take us.
You go black.
Original one.
We are spec. We are shoe.
Glen
No, we are what? You want drink?
Easy, you go knock, we not push you for wheelbarrow. Maybe they do well. Let me stream.
Madam, give me something. Now what's up?
It's nice.
Respect yourself.
Cheers, my brother. Like it. My
Cheers.
Ibaba. Spiritual husband, okay. We are mom.
We're gonna book.
I'm Charlie get big.
Anything for the boys. Mma work quick.
He still has not picked his calls.
I hope nothing has happened to him. He said he was already on his way, so I wonder what's keeping him.
Hi. I pray nothing has happened to him. I wonder why he did not take you to his house. At least to know his house, where he's living.
Mama, the truth is that he has tried severally to take me to his house, but I've been the one turning him down. I wanted to be sure of his intentions. I wanted to be sure that he did not come back to me out of lust.
You did well, my daughter. But as soon as I set my eyes on him, as soon as he comes here, I am going to be the one to ask him to take us to his house. We have to know his house now. Eh?
I had plans of telling him that when he comes today.
Okay. Oh yeah, continue dialing the call. Continue calling him.
What's going on here? What the hell am I doing here? How did I get here? Who brought me here?
Hey, you're looking good here.
Thank you.
So where are you going?
Home. I've been here for a couple of days now, so.
Oh, really? So where is he? I've been calling him, but he's not picking.
He went out and he didn't tell me where he was going to.
Why would he do a thing like that? Are you guys having an issue?
I don't know. I just know he started acting weird. When he comes back, please let him know that I love him very much. And I will do anything to become the kind of woman he wants.
It's alright. I will talk to him.
Thank you.
And I believe you both will get back together, okay? Just cheer up.
Alright. I'll see
you later.
Alright.
Yeah, bye.
So this man is a ritualist. What did he do to me? He must have done something to me. Oh, no, no, no. This is not happening. How did I get here?
Wahab, is this you?
It shock you? It shock you, sir, still there alive, Abi? Suppose no now, say, me where you have, they very far away from me. Eh? But I guess, Bio, you just forget me.
Come on, Wahab, I did not forget you. I just moved on with my life. I mean, I'm sure you're not expecting me to be the same place you left me.
Okay, now I don't show now. We'll go continue where we stop.
Wahab, Wahab. I really missed you, but come on, take a good look at me. I mean, I have changed, boy. I am no longer the Rika you used to know on the street. But don't worry. What we should be talking about now is how to get you off the street. That is, if you want to leave the street. As for me, I am not about this life. In fact, I don't want to be associated with you. I don't mean any bad, all right?
Make I just pretend say I no hear what you talk. Make it just be like say I did dumb, but I no hear what you just talk. This matter way you just shine with your mouth now. Say I no hear them. Anyway, your sister here say she don't buy. Eh? Hello.
Thank you.
Smally. Fine Smally where I give biscuit the other day. Mommy, I say she don't die. What's in this up?
Excuse me. Did you just say you gave my sister something and she ate it?
I don't understand. What's in that look for your eyes? Now me the open eye for. Your eye they fear me. Eh? Smally way fine. Smally way fine. But you suppose know now. You suppose know say me be Wahab. The very good bad guy. Eh? Anyway, make I just leave you first. Make you the money your loss. Eh? You get what's in just land now. You get what's in I won't go around like this. Rika, I go track you normally. I go track you. Sure you don't get money, Abi? Make I go smoke my body first.
Where are you coming from looking like this? Do you run into a fight?
Frank,
you won't understand.
Smoke? No alcohol. Why did you turn this way? Huh? When did you start drinking?
Frank, I don't drink and I don't smoke. Have you ever seen me doing those things?
No, that's why I'm surprised. What is actually going on? Or do you get into a fight with a drunkard?
Honestly, I don't understand what's happening. I'm confused. I understand.
Come, let me take you inside. Hey, run for.
Amanda, where have you been?
Mimi, I've missed you. I'm lonely over here.
Please come back to us. Everybody has been crying. We want you back.
I can't come back anymore. But I'm angry. They sent me before my time. They sent me away without me achieving my dreams. I wanted to become a doctor, travel all over the world to save life. But they sent me away without achieving any.
Let me go cover me.
No, don't tell.
Mimi, who are you talking to someone? I heard voices.
She's gone.
She's gone? Who was that?
Shut up! Amanda is dead. You can't see her. What are you saying? Come with me.
I heard what happened in your wife's family.
Point of correction, Frank. I don't remember telling you I was married.
What do you mean by that? Now I'm asking you, what do you mean by that? As a matter of fact, what is going on between you and your girl?
I never told you, or I don't remember telling you I have issues with her.
Calm down. But I remember you telling me that you will marry Rika. Immediately you are financially stable. Now that you are stable, but you seem not to be thinking in that direction. What is going on?
Frank, are you here to see your friend, or you're here to query me about Rika?
The truth of the matter is that I'm here to see you. Isn't it amazing how our lives has turned around in just a space of time?
I expected you to say that. So how's your business going?
Business is going well, we thank God. I now have a partner in China and Japan.
Congratulations. You see, I told you to get a partner a long time ago, but you sounded like you weren't cool with it.
I was cool. But let's say that I was not mentally and financially ready then.
Okay.
You know, business with financial partnership is more lucrative.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
But I'm happy you're thinking in the right direction now. Congrats again.
Thank you, my man.
Yeah.
Tochi.
Yeah.
To be honest, what is really going on between you and Rika?
Nothing.
You need to tell me I'm your man. Huh? Why hiding things away from me?
Nothing.
You don't want to marry her again?
Mom, I thought Amanda is dead.
Yes, she's dead. We have buried her in the village.
Can someone be buried and still be seen?
No. Have you ever seen someone that has been buried?
I saw Amanda.
What? Where did you see her?
In the front of the house. She said that she's not happy because her dreams and aspiration was cut short.
If you see her next time, let me know. Okay?
Mom, don't tell me you believe this child. Huh?
My daughter is crying for revenge. Who killed my daughter? Who killed Amanda?
Mom, please stop.
You
can't just take anything that comes out from Mimi's mouth. She's a child and I feel she's not okay. It seems like she has malaria and we should take her to the hospital. I mean, look at her eyes. Her eyes are not bright, so stop listening to her.
I'm sure I saw Amanda.
Oh, shut up! You did not see anybody. You can't see ghosts. Stop saying you saw her. Mom, this is serious. I'm telling you, this child is not feeling fine. We need to take her to the hospital. How many times will I tell you that you cannot see a ghost? Amanda is dead. You can't see her. Mom, please. I'm very serious. Mimi is not feeling fine. Look at her eyes. Her eyes color is not even bright. She needs to be taken to the hospital. This is very serious.
I'll surely find out who killed my daughter. Let that person tell me where Amanda has gone wrong. Hi, God.
Mom, calm down. You can't be doing this to your health, alright? If anyone has a hand in Amanda's death, I promise you the law will catch up with the person. Kama will catch up with the person, don't you believe?
No, I will not wait for Kama. I won't wait for Kama. I will find out who killed my daughter. Let he or she tell me where Amanda, my daughter, has gone wrong. Oh God.
Mom, it's okay.
Pastor, please, I want you to help me. Help me fish out the person that killed my daughter. How can a young girl like that just pass away? No sickness. No sign of sickness at all.
You have a lot going on in your family, madam. There is an insider that is more dangerous than a viper.
Why did you tell me this? Why did you review this all this while? This could have been avoided.
You and your family got so busy and decided to make the house of God a place to visit at your own leisure time. Now tell me, when was the last time we sat and talked like this?
Man of God, I'm sorry, please. I got carried away by the success I was recording in the office. I am so sorry, please.
There you are. Your husband is too busy too. Your children are no longer close to God anymore. You see, one thing about this God is that He is busy with those that are busy with Him.
Pastor, I pray for forgiveness. Please forgive me. I pray that I wish this didn't happen. Hey, but I beg you, please, help me to fish out this devil. Help me to fish out this devil. I want to know the person that masterminded this evil. The person that masterminded this wickedness.
Madam, like I said earlier, he is an insider. You people will have to organize a 7-day family prayer and fasting. After then, trust me, God will reveal that wolf in sheep clothing in your family by His grace.
Who could that person be? Eh? Rika, you have been so restless. What is the problem?
My past. Annabelle, lately my past is just haunting me. I don't know if there's a way I could just erase my mind, erase my mind of all this shit I did in the past.
It's not possible. Huh? One thing about the past is that it will always come calling. But I need you to have this in mind, that you have turned a new leaf, a new way of life. Just move on with your new way of life and forget about the past. Trust me, you'll be fine. Okay? Yeah. Oh, Mom. Welcome.
I went to see Pastor Johnson. And he said something very shocking.
What? What did he say, Mom?
He said that Amanda's death was masterminded by a wicked person within us.
I know it. Oh, please. I don't believe this crap.
You better believe it too. He is a powerful man of God. Don't doubt him.
Indeed. Well, if he's that powerful, why isn't he precise? Yes! Why didn't he mention the name of the person that killed Amanda? Save us the stress of guessing. Okay, we're supposed to do what? Start asking ourselves, did you kill Amanda? Did you kill her? Or we're supposed to... What are we supposed to do? Huh?
Isn't it obvious? Isn't it obvious? You people are like your father. You will never believe except you see that everything has gone spoiled.
Hey, Rika, is there anything you want to tell us?
Annabelle, I don't understand. What was that question for?
She has been so restless, complaining about her past. I don't understand. In case she wants to tell us anything, let her say it.
What are you still doing in my house? What are you still doing in my house?
Nothing, ma. Please, ma.
What are you doing in my house?
Please, ma. Nothing, ma.
Will you leave my house or not?
No, no. No, no. No. No, no. No, I did not. No. No. No, 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 I did not. No, no. No. No.
No, no, no! I think it's my daughter's spirits disturbing him. Hey, my mind keeps telling me that this boy has so many things to explain concerning my daughter's death. God will never allow you to go free. See it.
James. Girl, what happened? Just what happened? I just want you to run and say chase you with cutlass. What happened?
I had a terrible dream.
Just dream, no. Now make you the roller like say you want die. Say the chase you with cutlass.
James, you not understand. You not understand the kind of dream I had.
Dream, ke? Wait, for the dream, you thief phone or you thief person money. Because now for say these days, if you thief phone or person money, they could chase you like say they won't kill you. Even they will burn you, put tire, burn you. Which one you do?
James, I'm not here for your jokes. Just let me be. Leave me alone.
Wait, Abi, they throw you bomb for the dream. Because as you dey like this now, I know even understand. Because it be like say as your head be like this, they can't quarter your head. The sense don't come out. So which one they do?
James.
Sir?
I think I have malaria.
Hey, now you come. Because now so people will get malaria and so they do. Because now only malaria person fit run The kind of run now where you run. Come here. Come the breathe. Cause I said you won't die, but no issue, sir. Better you go tell Oga. Make them carry you go hospital. Or if na spiritual thing, make them carry you go church. Make they deliver you. Oh, sorry. Oh, take heart. Oh, no. Oh, no now. And one more.
What kind of dream is this? Eh?
No, again.
Eh? What kind of dream is this? This hot afternoon.
Honey, Odinaka just did something very strange now.
Oh, not again. Sit down. I have good news for you. My partners in Japan just, approved that deal. So I will be off to Japan for the confirmation.
That's a good news. But why is it that each time I mention something concerning that boy, you don't pay attention?
That's because we have said so much about it. And it's a forgotten topic.
Pastor Josie told me that I'm going to see a sign. And Odinaka just performs a strange sign.
Sweetheart, I'll be traveling tomorrow morning. I need to travel this weekend. I need to travel as soon as possible.
Hey, so you're practically telling me that what I am saying is trash. I'm not making any sense, right?
If anyone practically told you that what you said to me is practically nonsense, would you believe that?
No problem. Since the only thing important in your life is traveling to Japan, travel to Japan. I wish you good luck.
If Uncle Ebube travels, Madam will make this house a living hell for me. This house cannot contain both of us. No. But what have I done wrong? I don't know what happened to Amanda. I'm not the one that killed Amanda. I have no idea what happened to her. Why does she hate me so much? Why is she blaming me for something I know nothing about? My father warned me. My father warned me. I need to leave this house. No, I can't stay here. Naka, you can't stay here. She will kill you. Before Uncle returns, she will kill you. I can't stay here.
Is it true?
Yes.
My son, I am happy to hear this. I am very, very happy. But what I want to hear is the date. The date you will come with your people for a proper introduction. Could be Mama,
you're right. But I have a business trip to make. Yes, I'll be away for 1 month and 3 weeks. Once I come back, I'll come with my people and do the marriage rites, I promise.
You have known each other for a very long time now. So I am very happy you're making this decision now. Oh?
Thank you very much.
I'm happy for you.
Yes.